Evening.
Yeah, welcome. Excuse me. So how is the sales?
It wasn't good. I mean, it's not been good.
Not too good. Why? What's the problem?
I think one of the former staff is playing a fast one on me, but I'm trying to fix it.
Now let me let you know what's going on with you. You have sacked key members of your staff, including your marketing managers. And so they decided to leave with the customers they brought into the company. And in the next few months, and I bet you, this company will collapse. You're failing.
Father, I have never failed. And I will never fail.
Your animosity towards men is about to collapse the company we've spent years building. You are about to start from the scratch. I wonder how you are going to go about it.
The company has gone flat. If not for the Onitsha branch that Tony is heading very well, I'm sure by now we would have gone bankrupt.
Have you seen it? Your hate towards men is not only affecting you, but affecting the whole family. It's time to stop. Put a stop to it.
You know, all my life, you both have never cherished me as your child. You never value me for 1 minute. And now you have made me regret going to that company in the first place. I just want to let you know that I will never go there again.
Yes, I expected it. The company has gone flat. There's nowhere else to go. So, thank you for collapsing my company.
I told you that you wouldn't listen. It was a huge mistake handing over that company to her. Look at the results.
Look, I was trying to make her happy. Besides, she was really qualified for the job.
Oh yes. She is really qualified for the job. And she has shown you how qualified she is.
How would I have known that she has great animosity towards men? But that's the only fault she has.
Sonia, I think I have to put an end to this once and for all.
Tony, how are you? How's work?
Business is fine. So how are you doing?
I'm fine, but there is something bothering me.
Bothering you, what could that be?
Tony, why do you overlook your sister?
I don't understand you.
Your sister keeps chasing all her suitors, fighting them. Are you not aware of that?
I'm aware of it. That's why I hate her. Her attitude disgusts me. Yes.
Tony, you don't need to hate your sister. She's your blood. And she needs help. She needs help. You are in a better position to help her. Hating her won't solve the problem. Please, Tony.
How will I help someone that hates men? She sacked all her male workers, including the cleaners. I had to employ some of them back to my own branch. And all of them are doing pretty well. So how do I help such a person? Tell me, how?
Tony, it is obvious that your sister has emotional issues. I mean, it is clear and evident. She needs somebody to confide in. She needs somebody to talk to. And you're not present. That is not fair, Tony. You need to listen to her. You're a brother, for Christ's sake.
Who told you I've not been working on her all this while? My sister is a very difficult person. Yes, I am still thinking on angle to follow her again.
Tony, you need to calm down. You know her situation. Just come to her, talk to her. What is the problem? I am sure she will listen to you. But you being hostile towards her, trying to say you hate her, doesn't make any sense for me.
She's my blood.
You need to act fast so you
She's
don't.
my blood. I will keep trying. I will keep trying.
Her future is at stake here.
Yeah.
I married such a huge and healthy looking man, but never knew he's the weakest amongst men. At first, it was quick ejaculation, then it got to weak erection, and now, no erection at all. No woman deserves this. What have I done to deserve such an empty man? He eats and drinks every day like a child that needs to grow. Sexual urge burns all the nerves from the roof of my skull to the sole of my feet. And here he lies, a huge and strong-looking man who can grab me like a lion and hit away this urge from my body. But he prefers to smell like he's already lying in the bosom of Abraham. God, please, have mercy on me. Show me mercy by taking this burden away from me. I beg you.
Ifunanya, What is wrong with you? What happened to you? You used to be a very strong woman. You used to be very intelligent. One of the smartest and most jovial in school. What happened to you? Please, why not pick up your pieces, fix them up, continue with your life? I understand you had a bad experience, but you shouldn't allow that to ruin your life. Remember your dreams, what you told me. You want to have 10 kids when you get married. You stumbled. You fell. Ifunanya, answer me. Do you want to remain where you fall? Why not stand up? Dust yourself. Continue the journey of your life. Please.
Bro, sincerely, father and mother are not making things easier for me. They are not.
Ifunanya, life is not always as smooth as we want. There are some things propanded to hinder our goals. Family, friends, relations, even yourself can also be an instrument of distraction. If you hate them, you give them more reason to win you. Yes. Distraction is anti-destiny. If you allow distraction into your life, it will whisper failure into your ears. And if you accept it, it will whisper suicide into your ears. If you accept it, then it has succeeded in ruining your life. Ifunanya, please, put everything aside and continue the journey of your life.
Bro, I have this sharp pain in my heart. I have this sharp pain in my heart. And this pain is about to consume me. I can't bear it anymore. It's too much.
Ifunanya, what doesn't kill us makes us stronger. Yes, the scar is not supposed to kill you. Scars reminds you of things you've passed through in the past. Ifunanya, scars is never painful. Scars shows you what you've been through, the mistake you've made in the past. When you look at the scars, it will enable you never to make the mistakes again. Scars is a sign of battles you've won in the past. Says, no story, no glory. Have it at the back of your mind. Yes, be strong. Be strong. After the rain comes sun. Believe me.
Well, can I be able to love him again? Can I be able to trust him again? Can I be able to give a man my heart again? Because right now shattered. Demoralized.
Don't love men. Love a man. Take him to your heart. It's possible.
I hate them. I hate them so much. I hate them, bro.
But you can't do without them. Sis, please, heal. Please. Ifunanya's attitude towards men irritates me. It made me hate her. But at a point, I've come to realize that hating her will not solve the problem. Two wrongs can never make a right. I think it's time to show her more love, to make her heal.
When she came back, I showed her so much love and support. And when I retired, I handed over my company to her so she could feel a sense of belonging, so she could feel loved. Her mother and I, showered so much love on her. The kind of love she cannot find elsewhere. But she bluntly refused to change. What do you have me do in such circumstance?
I think something more serious happened to her when she was away from home. Because I wonder what made my daughter turn into a monster overnight. Tony, my son, what do you want us to do? What do you want me to do to make her change? Be rest assured that I will do it immediately you say it.
Mom, let's show her more love. Yes. Let's continue showing her love. I have no other sister elsewhere. She's all we have. So what we owe her is to show her love. Let's continue showing her love. I believe more love will make her heal.
Sonia is our daughter. And we have showered so much love on her. Anything that will make her heal. Anything that will make her, come back to the kind of daughter that we desire. We are ready for it.
I believe more love can do the magic, Daddy. More love.
You're right. I will do that.
No problem.
Good day, Oluchi.
Nke a elu gị dịkwa ka elu agba catapult. What is the problem?
Ebuka, I was actually going to your house. I want us to talk.
Yeah. I hope you and Nonso have not started punching each other again. What is it?
Far from it, Ebuka.
Okay.
But how do you expect me to cope with a man that can't even fulfill his conjugal duties? Just how, Ebuka, how?
People are not supposed to hear that one. Oh, baby. Hey, what is it? Hey. But what is he Nonso saying about it?
The problem is that Nonso's pride and ego will not even allow him to think from both sides of his brain. You cannot fulfill your conjugal duties as a husband. You don't want me to go. You don't want me to be with other men. What exactly do you want me to do? What will you have me do?
Mbano, how can you say he should allow you? No, now, see, as it is now, it is time for you to put this thing into the hands of God.
In the hands of God?
Yes, now.
Did you say God, as young as I am?
God can
Ebuka,
change everything.
Just listen to me. Listen to me. You are Nonso's friend.
Yes,
and that is one reason I was actually coming to you.
Okay.
This time around, I am leaving Nonso. But if he tries to stop me, I will do something that he might not be alive to tell the story. Tell him I said so.
It has not gotten to that. But it all Babanum. Emeneke, Oluchi, Biaka, Baya.
Tell him I said so.
Emeneke, when you my dear. Oluchi, don't go and buy the game.
Seriously, my father would be so disappointed in me. Why would I even allow the company to sink in like this? What do I do? I really have to do something. If not for anything, I need to prove to my parents, especially my father, that I am not as useless as they think I am. I have to.
Why is she calling me? Why is she calling me? I am not going to pick your calls. I'm not going to pick it. Instead of me to come back and start working with you again, I'd rather go and start hawking pure water, whatever, than to work with you. You're not a good person. You're not a good boss at all. I will never work with someone like you. Never. Never. Not seen anything yet. Just better stop calling me, because I will not pick it. You're a very wicked person.
Why is he not taking my calls? That's one thing with these guys. I just can't stand them. Very arrogant, very pompous. Like some overfed bugs. I can't stand them. So disrespectful. Someone who cannot even take the orders of a woman. How do I stand them in the same company? If he just doesn't want to work with me anymore, then just tell me. Why are you stressing me the hell out? God. Why create men? Why create men? Why did you create men? Just fill them up with some boobs or something.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, God.
Thank you
Happy
so
birthday,
much.
my dear friend.
Wow. Thank you so much. Oh, bro. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. We love you so much.
Thank you, Daddy.
How can we forget?
Thank you,
You are my only daughter. I love, cherish, and adore you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
This is amazing. Thank you so much, Daddy. Thank you. So, are we not going to cut the cake?
Wait. This for you. From Brian.
From Brian.
Yes, from Brian.
Brian.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. This birthday came with a lot of surprises. Thank you so much.
I have not seen you smile in a long while.
Bree startled me. Seriously, he sure do know how to get to a woman's heart. This is amazingly beautiful. Most women love pink.
Yeah.
And I must confess, I love this. You know, I am still in shock. I can't believe it that Brian would buy something like this for me after the way I treated him. Bro, I feel so guilty right now.
Sis, don't give room for guilt. You have given your heart enough pressure. Just turn a new leaf. Nobody will remember your past.
Yeah, you're right. You know, come to think about them, I forgot to tell you. I went to see Nelson the other day and he treated me like some piece of shit. You know what? I have sworn never in my life to go back to that place again, bro. And I will never dial his number again. So help me God.
Listen, you know what vows have cost you in the past? Even the problems you are having in the office. Please, try and be as flexible as possible. Please.
What are you insinuating? Wait, bro, are you by any chance telling me to go back to Nelson? Like, I should go back there?
If you need something, what you do to get what you want doesn't matter. What matters is you getting what you want. You need him.
No, bro, I don't need him. I don't. Please, is it possible for me to, fix someone or get someone else or something? Because I am not going back to that place. I won't.
I know we have 1,000,001 people out there.
Thank you.
That can fit into his position. Yes. But you will keep testing, which will take time. If not months or even years. Yes. I know what I'm talking about. You know, right now I'm just confused. I don't even know what to do. The company is going down day by day. That's why you need him.
Even sometimes we don't even make any sales. We've not recorded sales in God knows how long. I don't even know how to pay the workers at the end of the month. I'm losing it.
Please, you need him. Just swallow your pride. Go back to him. Be a fool, but get what you want. Yes, that's what matters.
Then, bro, that's where you're coming. You have to help me talk to him. Please. Just smoothen the ground for me and then probably I'll stop in and, he will listen to me.
Talking to him is not a problem. I will talk to him, but you still need to go and talk to him yourself. Just try not to be rude to him this time. I believe it will work. Believe me.
There's something wrong.
What's wrong with you? Why are you beating a woman? Stop! Are you okay? Why are you beating a woman?
Who called you here?
Are you a beast? Why will you be beating a woman in public? Are you mad?
That way again, I will slap you.
Repeat that statement and you don't slap me from the surface of the air. Are you mad? Oh shit! Are you okay? Beat me!
Why?
Go ahead and beat me! Go ahead!
Come here.
See! Are you okay? Come on, beat me!
I will slap you.
Go ahead! Go ahead! Go ahead!
You're pushing me.
Go ahead!
What's going on?
Go ahead! If you try that nonsense again,
What's going on?
to you. Are you okay?
You're pushing me. What is the problem?
You don't leave me first.
Are you holding me?
Leave me first.
What is the problem?
I'll kill you today.
What is wrong with you?
You can't leave me now.
Are you mad? How did you hit the lady on the road like that?
Okay,
What's your problem? What's your problem?
I want to go to jail, my family.
What is wrong with you? Come here. What is your problem? Are you mad?
I'll kill you.
Come on, are you mad? What is wrong with you?
Okay.
How did you lay your hands on the woman on the road?
I'll wait for you. Just come back home.
Shameless man.
Where is he going to? No, come and fight! Come and fight your fellow man! What the heck?
Madam, are you okay? Are you okay?
Who is he?
He's my husband.
Sorry. That does not mean he will kill you now. On the road, for that matter.
That's how he beats me all the time.
That's how he beats you all the time and you're still in the marriage.
No, I'm sorry.
What is wrong with women? A man beats you up and you're still in the marriage. God damn it. I can't
Sorry,
even
madam.
believe this.
Just calm down, okay? Where are you headed to?
I just went to see my friend, so he met me on the way.
Let's just go, okay? Okay, let's go, please. Sorry. It's just about. Sorry, okay? Don't worry, everything will be alright. Let me just give you some cash so you can use. Alright. Oh, please, just manage this, okay? Please, this will do for your transport.
Thank you,
I'm
sir.
so sorry about everything. No, it's okay. Stand up, stand up. It's okay, it's okay.
Thank you.
But you don't need to die in your marriage, okay? If you know that he's beating you up, I think you should leave the marriage.
My parents insist that I should stay.
It's okay, okay? Just go, okay? Alright.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Alright, no problem. Do you know them?
No, I don't. I was just driving past and I saw the incident.
But that man is a beast. How will you beat your wife on the main road? What is this world turning into?
Wow.
Okay.
This is actually the first time I'm seeing someone like you who doesn't support men beating women or men molesting women. I mean, take a look at your environment. Other people were actually enjoying the scene. I saw other men walk past, but you seem different.
But it is wrong to beat a woman on the road. I don't even care if it's his wife or not. That is wrong. I'm only just doing what I'm supposed to do as a man. Because I won't stand and see a man hit a lady like that and I won't do anything. It's wrong. I'm not just happy, like seriously. And I hope he does not go back to that man because that man is a beast. Okay, I'm Brian by name.
I am married.
Nice to meet you.
My pleasure.
Good afternoon, ma. Ma, I'm afraid there is a problem. We have stopped production because the already produced goods are still untouched. We have not been able to sell up to 20% out of it.
So why are you telling me? Why are you telling me? Why am I paying you buffaloes in this company? Probably you expect me to carry it on my head and then go hawk it in the market so people could patronize us, right?
No, I just think you should know.
You leave my sight before I spit on you. Yes, hello, Mr. Nelson.
Hello, ma'am.
Mr. Nelson, but I've been calling you.
Yeah, but I'm busy now. I can't come now. I'm busy. I will come when I'm done with what I have at hand.
You should at least answer me, come know why I'm calling you. It's very urgent. It's about the company. It's over 2 weeks now, please.
I'm driving. I'll talk to you later. Please.
Hello? Hello? Did he just cut the phone on me? That shredded, decomposed element cut the phone on me.
You've not seen anything yet.
What is going on? Why is the company drilling day by day? Why is it about to collapse? I'm doing my best.
Ma, you sent for me.
Yes, what is the head of department? The marketing team. What are they doing about this?
They are demanding more time to get new customers. They are all new in the business, not even up to 1 month. Ma, sacking all the old staffs at the same time was wrong. That is why we are where we are now.
Tell every staff in the marketing team that they are all fired. And as for you, if you do not control this fat, bloated cheeks, these chubby cheeks of yours, I would not just fire you too. I would personally fling you and your tacky-wacky wig into the ocean, where you'll be chilling with the sharks and octopus.
I'm sorry.
Get out! Get out!
I'm sorry.
A shit millipede with a jokery-pokery attitude.
Thank you. Babes, welcome. Thank you. You're looking good and happy. Welcome.
Thank you, babe. Today I met a man who doesn't support men brutalizing women.
Why are you sounding surprised? There are a lot of men out there that do not support that.
But most of these men only condemn the act with their mouths. But when they return back home to their wives, they beat them up like criminals.
Maureen, you need to understand that all men are not the same. There are good ones out there. I always tell you that.
Yeah. I think I believe you. Brian just proved that to me today.
Hello. What is going on here? Yeah, I can see that someone is falling in love.
Oh, no.
I can see that in your eyes. Do not lie.
I didn't say so. No. I haven't said so. But babe, I didn't expect what that guy did. I seriously didn't expect it, but he did it and I love it.
I always told you that all men are not the same. All men are not the same.
She is not finding it easy this time. And the company has gone flat. I just want to see how she can fix it.
I suggest you send her to Onitsha. Yes. Let Tony come here and fix whatever the problem is. I don't want my daughter to die all in the name of trying to solve a problem.
What are you talking about? I should send her to Onitsha so that she will crumble that branch same way she did to the head office and then will now become bankrupt? Come on. That's not possible. I want her to watch the company crumble by her negative attitude. Then we are not going to be looking for someone to help make her change. She will change by herself.
Are you married?
If I am married, will I be out by this time?
Honestly, Brian, you are the direct opposite of what I thought men were. I never knew men like you exist. My father maltreated my mother. And then I left the house and went to live with my uncle. And it was the same thing there. My uncle would beat his wife every other day. And then my ex-boyfriend was nothing different.
But you know you can't define a man with a crime another man committed.
I know. I just wish I can have a man like you in my life.
I want a woman that is not stuck to her past. I want a woman that would see things she left behind as a past tense. Because I can see you still stuck to your past. The fact that your ex treated you badly does not mean every other guy would do so. I'm sure you must have met people even better than me, but you didn't give them a chance.
Why are you making me feel guilty?
Of course you're guilty. I just feel you need to loosen up a bit. You need to just free yourself. The past is behind you already and let it go. That is the only way you can get that happiness and what you're looking for.
Maybe you're right.
Of course I am. So I hope you're okay.
Where could he have been? Chai!
I don't even know what to say. I don't even know how to react. Where has he gone to?
Sneaky me. But Oluchi, I will blame you for this one. Why did you tell him? Why did you tell him that he is impotent? It's not good now.
Even when it is true? Or is it because it's coming from me?
Even when it is true, don't you know that that thing used to hurt man so much? It is not good for you to tell your husband that he cannot satisfy you. But
it's okay to hurt me. Ebuka, it's okay to use it against me and make it feel like everything is my fault, right? To be honest, I don't blame anybody. I blame myself for still being under the same roof with that man.
Oluchi, this is not the time for this thing. You don't even try to shed the tears this time. Because at this point, I thought you should be calling his brother. You have to call his brother and tell him what is going on. Because we cannot find him since the morning that we have been looking for him. So you need to call his brother. Call his brother so that we will know what to do. Come on, you to go. Haba.
I am tired and confused.
I
don't know how to react.
We need to see him. We need to see him. Let it not be that something has happened to him.
God, with a knife in my hand, I harvested my heart out of my chest and laid it on the altar of foolishness. I have been all over the world. I have stayed in Tel Aviv, Jakarta, Mumbai, America, and other parts of Europe. Yet, I returned to my village as a nobody. I have nothing left. Who do I blame for my misfortune? Who?
Nonso? Nonso, what is wrong with you, Kwanu? What in God's name are you doing here? Eh?
Chinonso, what are you doing here?
Why are you putting us all into confusion? Huh?
I am asking you, what in God's name are you doing here? And so instead of you to punish me in this manner, why not allow me go back to my father's house? Why? Are you not seeing what he's doing to me?
See, Tado Banum, don't even say that. No, so anything that is going wrong, or anything that is a problem between the both of you, we can fix it at home. You know, we can fix it at home. So stand up, let's go home. Bikonu. You make us look for you like an antelope inside the bush.
I brought this upon myself.
Also, are you crying? Nonso is crying. Nonso, let me tell you something you should know. The only hopeless point in life is the point of death, yo. Is the point of death, and since you have not died, thank God. I was even afraid that you must have done something crazy. Let me tell you, if there is something you want us to know, tell us now. I'm not coming to cry in the bush like a Jackie. Tell us what is the problem now. If you cannot talk to me, you tell your wife now. Look at your beautiful wife right before you. Tell us what the problem is.
It all began when I was staying in Enugu.
Enugu kwa? Enugu ezike ko Enugu ku.
Good morning, Nelson.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please do have a seat.
Okay, thank you. So, how are you?
As you can see, I'm not really doing well. And that's why I sent for you.
What's happened? What is it?
Okay, the company has been having so much loss. We no longer make sales as usual, and as a matter of fact, the company is really going down. So down, and this is why I am pleading with you to please come back and help us. I don't mind, tripling your salary. Please.
I know what the problem is.
You do?
Yes, I do.
Then what is it?
Why do you hate men?
Beg your pardon?
Why do you hate men?
This has nothing to do with what we're discussing.
It has. The company collapsed because you don't regard men. You've actually sacked every man in this company. The men that carries the body of the company, you've sacked everybody. And you don't even get to know how they feel about it.
Why should I care about how men feel? No, let's discuss about this. Why should I give a damn about how they feel? When I know that they do not have a single feeling in them. Listen, as far as I am concerned, I will never give a damn about how men feel. I won't. They are beasts in human form. They have no conscience. Why should I care about them? Why? No, probably you want to tell me about men, right? Oh, you want to teach me about men? Go ahead. Maybe because of probably the one I dealt with wasn't a man enough. So you teach me about men. Men who are men.
So tell me about it. What happened?
His name was Nonso. He was a nobody. I practically made this guy mix up with the people that mattered in the society. I gave him everything. If I didn't give him anything, well, that was because I did not have it. What did I get in return? What did I get in return?
I'm still surprised about yesterday.
What happened?
I can't believe you're still a virgin.
Yes, my parents warned me against throwing away my virginity.
So, why me? Like, why did you give me your virginity? Why?
I've never loved any human as I've loved you. As I've loved you.
I'm so honored. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
I overheard you talking about owing someone money, so I don't know.
Yes. Well, I have not had that money.
Why?
I'm so sorry. But I grew up with my brother without a parent. And since then, life has been very hard for us. They died while we were still little. And since then, life has been so tough for us. No one cared about us.
So sorry.
We saw ourselves through school and we even borrowed to eat.
How much are you owing?
Babe, it's a huge amount of money. It's 3 million. It's 3 million. I don't know where to get this money.
See, babe, I can help you pay the money. Yes.
You will give me 3 million, not 3,000 naira. Babe, 3 million naira.
Yes, I'll help you pay. I have money. I have up to 30 million in my account. Yes, I will help you pay. My parents started paying me since I was a child. Yes. It's okay. It's okay, babe. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you very much.
It's okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
She loved me so much. She made sure I had everything I needed. She gave me everything I requested. She made me rich overnight.
Chelugodi, Nonso, I am not understanding this thing that you are saying now. Why didn't you marry her? I mean, who will see such a good girl and a good character girl, and you did not marry her? So what happened? Talk.
I did not marry her because I was foolish. Because she was always there for me. She did a lot of financial sacrifices for me. But what did I do? She gave me everything I needed. Sometimes, I would plan with my friends. So they would come to the house where I was staying with her. They would begin to harass me, embarrass me, and ask me to pay a debt that I owed them. Which was all arranged. She paid them the money. I raised more than 20 million naira just from that act alone.
Okotoleba.
I had so bad.
Okotoleba.
Chinonso.
Hey.
Chinonso, so your wickedness did not start today.
Tado.
Like, you are naturally a wicked man. Chinonso. You are not supposed to be a human being. You should be in the bush and be an animal. You know, so how could you do this to my fellow woman?
Oh, she loved me so much and she was all over me all the time. She never bothered to know if I loved her back. What do you expect me to do? Reject the gifts?
So, are you telling me she didn't find out that you never loved her?
I did the unthinkable. Because of me that is following me. Aye. Which is the foundation of my problems.
Chukunonso, so you intentionally married me to partake in the proceeds of your wickedness.
Chai.
Chukunonso.
Chai.
Nke a karịrị. Uwe kpato nene. See, Olochukwu, I want us to know that this is not